We went to the kitchen centre with some clear ideas about what we wanted in our kitchen, and as we explained our ideas to Kylie, she came up with suggestions of how to put our ideas into practice. I would recommend the kitchen centre as a business to be able to put your ideas into a kitchen that's very workable, usable, and the finish is just remarkable. Well, because Greg is a chef, he designed the cooking zones, and we've got the gas hob, the induction cooktop, and a teppanyaki plate. The teppanyaki plate is a great piece of equipment when you want to have prawns or Japanese style meals. Greg and I like our kitchen because it's a kitchen that encompasses all the ideas that we had, which were fulfilled by the ideas that Kylie came up with. She enabled us to get what we wanted, and we're very happy with it.